Now the devil, he rose up from out of the country. And he looked beyond England to the land of Cornwall. And he took it upon himself that he would visit this land. And there he would seek out for himself a second home. But thus was the flight of old Artful in Cornwall. Old Nick, as he was wont to do, was wandering up and down to see what mischief he could brew. He goes to Lanson town, for 'tis fish and tin and copper, me boys, and tree and pole and pen, and one and all we may rejoice with Cornish women and men. He crossed the Tamer land to land, though you may think it strange, and having left his Devon home, tried Cornwall for a change. For 'tis fish and tin and copper, me boys, and tree and pole and pen, and one and all we may rejoice with Cornish women and men. Now when to Lanson he drew near, a skipping o'er the sod, a rustic cottage he espied, where windows all abroad, for 'tis fish and tin and copper, me boys, and tree and pole and pen, and one and all we may rejoice with Cornish women and men. And in the kitchen may be found a dame with knife in hand. She cut and chopped and slashed away to make a pasty grand. For 'tis fish and tin and copper, me boys, and tree and pole and pen, and one and all we may rejoice with Cornish women and men. Good morning, miss, now what is that your table dost adorn? You beef and mutton, pork and fat, there's froggies, legs and scrawn.
'Tis a Cornish pasty sure,
says she,
and if thee doesn't mind, I soon shall start to cut up thee, and put it in it you'll find.
For 'tis fish and tin and copper, me boys, and tree and pole and pen, and one and all we may rejoice with Cornish women and men. In fear he turned, and straight did flee, to cross the Tamer quay. Since that day in Cornwall he has never more been seen. For 'tis fish and tin and copper, me boys, and tree and